To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your direct messages by selecting the paper plane icon or the messenger icon located in the upper right corner. Now select the individual chat with the contact, for whom you want to disable the typing indicator. Next, tap their username or profile at the top of that chat screen. Then select Privacy and Safety. Here you will find the Typing Indicator option here. Simply toggle the slider off to disable it. From now on, the other person will no longer see when you're typing a message in that chat. Keep in mind that, you won't be able to see when others are typing either. It does not affect other chats, you'll still see typing indicators in other conversations, unless you disable them there too. Turning off the typing indicator for a specific chat enhances your privacy, without affecting your other conversations. So that's how you can turn off typing indicator for one person on Instagram.